Ever had that sinking feeling walking back to your car only to find it missing? Your first thought? I just left it for a minute. Well, here's the deal: every 39 seconds, a car is stolen in the US. You don't have to be a detective to know that's a problem. But what if I told you that 19 tricks, many of which can be done in 3 seconds, can stop thieves from taking what is yours? Sounds like a bold claim, but stick with me, and you'll see how a few quick moves can dramatically reduce your risk, even guarantee you won't be the next victim. The modern car theft crisis. Car theft is a growing issue in the US, with over 1 million cars stolen in 2023 alone. Thieves are using advanced technology like relay devices to bypass keyless entry systems and even employ fake tow trucks. But don't worry, there are ways to outsmart them. The key to preventing theft is visibility, speed, and using the right tools. By applying quick 3-second tricks alongside longer deterrents, you can make your car a less appealing target. In this guide, we'll explore 19 clever tricks that can make thieves think twice and leave you with peace of mind. 1. Lock your steering wheel with a bar. Here is one of the fastest tricks to stop car thieves in their tracks. This old-school steering wheel lock works like a charm. Just snap it on, turn the key, and boom, you've secured your wheel. Experts say just the sight of one can reduce theft risk by up to 50%. Pro tip: place it where thieves can easily see it, like through the window. They'll keep walking when they see that bar blocking the wheel. This low-tech tool still beats many high-tech alternatives. 2. Never leave your car running unattended. It sounds simple, but you'd be surprised how many people leave their car running while grabbing a coffee or running a quick errand. Thieves love it because they can just jump in and drive away. 1 in 4 stolen cars was left running. This is known as puffing, and it's a huge opportunity for thieves. Next time, turn the engine off and lock your doors before walking away. It takes 3 seconds, but can save you from a whole lot of trouble. Or to use a tire clamp. Thieves can't stand a visible deterrent, and a bright yellow tire clamp is one of the most noticeable deterrents out there. Even a fake clamp or a realistic-looking sticker that mimics one can make thieves reconsider. They don't want to spend precious time messing with a car that might have extra security measures. Just make sure you park with the clamp visible. Thieves are all about easy targets and will move on the moment they see your car protected. 4. Turn your wheels when you park. This trick may sound small, but trust me, it's effective. When you turn your wheels, especially when parked uphill or downhill, it makes it much harder to tow or roll your car away. Thieves prefer a quick getaway, and this extra step forces them to waste time adjusting the wheels. It's a simple habit you can implement in seconds. 5. Pull the fuel pump fuse. Here's one of my favorites. Pull the fuel pump fuse before you leave your car for an extended period. If a thief starts your car, it'll stall after a few feet. They'll be so confused, they'll likely ditch the car and move on to a less troublesome target. This takes just a few seconds once you know where the fuse is located, and it's one of the easiest ways to stop a thief in their tracks. 6. Use a Faraday pouch for your key fob. Modern car thieves don't even need to break into your car. They can relay your key's signal and start your car without you ever leaving your home. That's why using a Faraday pouch to block the signal from your key fob is one of the quickest and most effective tricks you can do in seconds. The pouch costs under $10 and blocks the signals thieves use to unlock and start your car. Pro tip: don't rely on fridges or microwaves, they don't work as well, and they'll ruin your fob. 7. Lock your OBD port. Your car's OBD, onboard diagnostics port, might seem harmless, but thieves use it to program new keys and steal your car in minutes. By installing an OBD port lock or simply disabling it, you're making your car a lot harder to steal. It takes just seconds to lock it up or disable the fuse. This simple trick stops thieves from bypassing your car's security system entirely. 8. Install a GPS tracker. This is one of the best long-term solutions for keeping tabs on your car. GPS trackers are small devices that allow you to track your car in real time, even if it's stolen. Some trackers offer geofencing, which alerts you if your car leaves a designated zone. If your car is stolen, you can track it and have it recovered in no time. Many trackers also let you shut off the engine remotely, another instant win for you. 9. Install a hidden kill switch. A hidden kill switch disables the fuel or starter system, making it impossible to start the car without activating the switch first. Thieves won't have time to search for the switch, and even if they do, they can't drive away. This trick requires a little bit of installation time, but once it's in place, you're looking at a quick and guaranteed way to stop theft. 10. Close your windows and hide your valuables. If you leave your windows slightly cracked or valuables in plain sight, you're practically begging for a break-in. Thieves will smash a window for something as small as a gym bag, charging cable, or a phone mount. Close your windows, lock your doors, and clear out anything valuable that might tempt a thief. This trick takes 3 seconds, but it can prevent a break-in from happening altogether. 11. Park under bright lights. Thieves thrive in darkness. If you park your car in poorly lit areas, you're giving them the perfect opportunity to strike. Parking under a streetlight or near security cameras makes your car much less appealing. Thieves don't want to be seen, and they certainly don't want to be caught on camera. 12. Use an alarm sticker. You don't even need a working alarm to benefit from this trick. Slap an alarm sticker on your window, and you'll create the illusion that your car is equipped with a sophisticated security system. The best part? These stickers only cost about $5, but they psychologically deter thieves who don't want to risk being caught. 13. Install a fake blinking dash cam. If you want to freak thieves out, install a fake dash cam with a blinking red light. These inexpensive decoys look just like real cameras. Thieves will see that light flashing and assume they're being filmed. Most will back off immediately, not wanting to be on camera. Combine this with the alarm sticker, and you've got a thief-repelling power duo. 14. Etch your VIN on your windows. Etching your vehicle identification number on your car windows makes your vehicle less desirable to thieves. They won't be able to sell the car parts easily, as they are now traceable. Many police departments offer free VIN etching kits, and it only takes a few minutes to do. It's an inexpensive, effective way to deter thieves. 15. Disconnect the battery for long-term parking. Going away for a while? Disconnect your car's battery. This will prevent thieves from hot-wiring your car or bypassing security systems. It's a simple 30-second trick that guarantees your car won't start without power. Just don't forget to reconnect it when you return. 16. Activate valet mode. If your car has valet mode, Tesla, BMW, and some other luxury brands do, turn it on. Valet mode limits the car's speed and locks the glove box, trunk, and other compartments. Even if a thief somehow gets in, they won't be able to access your stuff or drive off at full speed. It's a simple digital leash for your car. 17. Watch out for fake tow trucks. Some thieves won't bother with locks. They'll just tow your car away. If you see a tow truck near your car, make sure it's legitimate. Fake tow trucks often target cars parked in public places. Don't hand over your keys unless you see official paperwork. 18. Be aware of signal jammers. Some advanced thieves use signal jammers to block your key fob's signal. By using a Faraday pouch and staying updated on any firmware vulnerabilities, you can stop these attacks cold. 19. Combine the tricks for ultimate protection. The more layers of security you have, the less appealing your car becomes to thieves. Combine steering locks, GPS trackers, alarm stickers, and even a kill switch. Thieves want quick, easy jobs. When they see multiple barriers, they'll move on to an easier target. Remember, it only takes 3 seconds to stop a thief in their tracks. Protect your car with these simple tricks and keep it safe. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tips. Stay safe out there.